Hello traders and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be talking about a completely free MT5 expert advisor called the Greed Scalper MAEA for MT5. And before we dive into today's EA, we have a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in, and it's free. You can check it out using the link in the description below. So make sure you check it out. It's actually worth it. And about today's expert advisor, the Great Scalper, it was developed by Mr. Alan Munene Mutiria. And this developer says it's built around a grid trading system with two different signal options, and it is tuned mainly for gold. On the sales page, it looks pretty controlled and flexible, but we all know how grids behave in real markets. So we're going to break everything down all the way to my backtest and my real life trading and check of this expert advisor. So without wasting your time, let's get straight into it. According to the developer, Mr. Elan, he says this EA uses a dynamic grid trading engine, and you have two ways to open a new basket of trades. And first is the price versus MA, which is a simple moving average crossover, and where price closes above the MA after being below it, and it opens a buy basket, which is multiple buy trades. And if price closes below after being above, it opens a sell basket. And the moving average period is set to 21 by default. We also have the second option, which is the BOS, also known as break of structure, and this is commonly traded by ICT or SMC smart money concepts. And as for the break of structure, it detects swing highs and lows, and it then buys when price closes above a confirmed swing high, or sells when it closes below a confirmed swing low. So you have the opportunity to choose between these two strategies for this EA, the Greed Scalper. And talking about Scalper, you should know that this is primed for the lower time frames like the 5 minutes or the 15 minutes, because you can't obviously scalp on the 4 hour on the daily charts. So once the first trade in the basket is open, if price moves against it, the EA starts adding more grid trades at fixed point intervals. And the default grid size is 11,000 points on a 3-digit gold broker. It's advised here. And gold, we have the lot sizing for those extra trades. They can be multiplier based, which is basically mild martingale, or recovery based, where it calculates the exact lot size needed to bring the whole basket back to break even plus a small profit buffer. And this is actually true. When I tested it, I could confirm it does bring trades back to break even, um, where it uses this recovery based mechanism. And the basket closes when price reaches the volume weighted average entry plus the break even points that you set. Everything can be adjusted in the settings. There is also an optional trading stop that only applies to the very first trade in each basket. Talking about the settings, let's look more into the settings. We have key features here marketed by the developer Mr. Elan, and they've added quite a few control features. We have the smart grid mode with chalk, which is the change of character, and this pauses adding new grid levels when structure turns strongly against your basket and only resumes after a reversal is confirmed. You've got a geometry filter to stop new same direction baskets opening too close to existing ones, and daily drawdown protection that can close. This daily drawdown protection can close losing trades and stop trading for the rest of the day if equity drops too far. And trading time filter, also we have the basket trade caps, we have the maximum number of simultaneous baskets, and optional per trade stop loss. All of these are features and settings that can be adjusted. You can see this. We also have the inputs. All of this I'm going to show you later when I switch to the backtest. You're going to see all of this which I used in my backtest, and everything is controlled through well organized inputs. You can change all of this. It even includes a real-time dashboard that shows per basket floating profit. It also shows daily drawdown status and all that important info right on the chart. Baskets also persist across platform restarts using global variables, and the developer is very clear that this is a grid system, so it carries real risks, especially in strong trends or high volatility. You can see the dashboard I was telling you about. This is it, showing the account tester, open positions, the baskets, and even the profits. This is how it looks on live trading. We also have the results marketed by the developer, and initial deposit $100,000 and total net profit is just $697. I don't know how long he tested this for, but this is too small for $100,000 account. We have the gross profit of $1,349 and the gross loss of minus $652. And this is how it looks. The profit factor is 2, recovery factor is 3, and the history quality is actually 100%, which is a good one. The equity drawdown is 0.23%, and that's the maximum equity drawdown. And if we're looking at this on their their curve, this is their graph, it doesn't actually look like 0.23% because you can see these long dips of the equity. The equity curve actually has this very deep drawdown, so I really don't know if you're gonna judge that based on it, but we're gonna see my back test and see what I compiled there. You can see what the market did, and that's all the developer marketed here. Yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna be looking at the back test. I had the opportunity to run this EA on XAUUSD on the 5 minute time frame from April 21st, 2025, all the way to April 21st, 2026. You can see here, and I used the every tick based on real ticks on a $10,000 deposit. And what did it give me? We're gonna look at the equity curve we had, and it starts off pretty flat, slowly grinding higher for several months with equity and balanced lines staying a little bit close to each other, even though we have some raggedy movements here, but it stayed close to each other pretty much. Then around early September 2025, it just falls off a cliff, and you can see the green equity line drops sharply. Deposit load spikes all the way up to 385%, and by the end of the test, the account is down over $9,500. Basically, wiped most of the starting capital of $10,000. And the profit factor of this, and look at the backtest numbers, the profit factor came in at 0.27 compared to about 2 on the backtest marketed by the developer. Max drawdown is over 96%, and total trades were 189 with an overall win rate of about 83%, which is quite impressive. But the losses were massive when they hit, and you know how grid trading works. The losses can get very crazy and very massive, and which ended up almost blowing this account. But when you compare this backtest to the developer's published result, we have almost 87% win rate from the developer, profit factor of above 2, max equity drawdown of just 0.23%. Remember, I showed you all of this, and their curve looks smooth. But the thing is, grid often looks amazing on certain periods or with optimized settings, but in a longer real world run, just like you can see as it happened here, 1 or 2 bad sequences and the account takes a serious hit, especially for a grid expert advisor, which is why you should be careful. And for the inputs, I used the ones that actually matter most are the signal strategy, the grid size points, the grid lot mode, especially the multiplier, and the basket trades cap with its action setting, stop loss mode, daily drawdown, protection, smart grid. Everything else is nice to have, but doesn't change the core risk of grid trading. Honestly, this is a classic grid recovery system with some helpful safety toggles. It can grind small profits in ranging or market conditions, but it holds losers for days and becomes extremely sensitive to spread and slippage on live gold. You can see it holding trades for days, for quite some days. This ended up in a loss and it held on for days. Okay, it's quite a break even, not a loss. Most of these are break even trades. Break even trades here. Mm. Well, that's how the expert advisor trades, and you should be very careful, especially when using the grid scalper MAEA for MT5. And if you ask me who this EA is for, I would say it's for experienced traders who understand grid and averaging systems very well, and they are comfortable with large floating drawdowns and are willing to accept and manage or optimize the settings. And who should stay away? I would say beginners, of course, or anyone with a small account, or traders looking for low stress set and forget robots. If you found this entire rundown helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you catch every new review that we're going to be dropping in a couple of days. Drop in the comments which EA you want me to test next, and don't forget to grab that free robot with all the indicators and candlestick patterns from the description below. It's actually a solid one. And thanks for watching. Trade safe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.